Hi guys, this is another tutorial video about Animal Crossing New Horizons. Wow, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a waterfall. I was basically just in the middle of making a waterfall, and then I was like, maybe I should show my viewers how to make a waterfall. Well, so first, of course, you need the escaping permits. To get the escaping permits, you need to do the KK quest, and then get KK by getting a 3-star island. And also, to get that KK quest, you need to have the upgraded resident service. And to get that, yada yada yada. Let's get on with the video. So now you gotta have both waterscaping permits and cliff constructing permits, or you can just have the waterscaping permits, put a bunch of water next to a cliff, and do this. So basically, what you want to do, get out the waterscaping permit, and then you go like bada bing, bada boom. Well, so let me just show you. Okay, so as you can see, if there's like a body of water, which there is down there, then you just use your waterscaping permit. And as it shows on the logo, you can just go like this. And Quobamo. Yeah, you got it. Your own little waterfall. And now I cannot make other ones. Bye.